Hi guys! Welcome back to Dudes Tech, and today we're checking out best protein shaker bottles. If you're someone who enjoys protein shakes, pre-workout drinks, or just staying hydrated during the day, this is going to be interesting for you. Let's take a closer look at a shaker bottle that keeps things simple, clean, and reliable. Let's get started. Today we're talking about the HydroJug protein shaker bottles. The HydroJug protein shaker bottles are designed to make your daily nutrition routine easier and more convenient. With a 20-ounce capacity, they are perfectly sized for protein shakes, pre-workout drinks, or even iced beverages. It is not too big and not too small, which makes it a great balance for gym sessions, travel days, or just regular hydration at work. One of the first things you'll notice about the HydroJug protein shaker bottles is the ergonomic and lightweight design. The bottle feels comfortable in your hand and does not add extra weight to your gym bag or backpack. It also fits easily into most car cup holders, so you can carry it with you wherever you go. This makes it a practical choice for people who are always on the move and need something dependable. Safety and durability are also key features. The HydroJug protein shaker bottles are made from BPA-free materials, which means you can drink from them with confidence. The strong construction ensures the bottle can handle daily use without cracking or wearing out quickly. It feels solid and built to last, even if you use it every single day. Cleaning is another area where this bottle stands out. The smooth interior design makes it easy to rinse and wash. There are no complicated parts that trap powder or liquid. This helps you keep the bottle fresh and hygienic without spending extra time scrubbing. Now let's talk about one of its most important features, the leak-proof lid. With the HydroJug protein shaker bottles, you can shake your drink without worrying about spills. The lid seals tightly, so your bag stays dry and your drink stays inside the bottle. This gives you peace of mind, especially when you are carrying it around all day. Another standout feature is the built-in silent mixing grate. Unlike traditional shaker bottles that use a noisy metal whisk ball, this smart design blends your drink smoothly without extra noise. It creates a clump-free mix every time, so your protein shake tastes better and feels smoother. Plus, you do not have to deal with a loose metal ball when cleaning. In terms of design, the HydroJug protein shaker bottles look sleek and modern. They are simple yet stylish, which makes them suitable for the gym, office, or even daily use at home. Everything about the bottle feels well thought out and focused on convenience. If you want a shaker that is reliable, easy to clean, leak-resistant, and smooth in mixing, this could be a great option. Check the price link in the description to learn more. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.